and you know that you are looking at the kidney because of these two landmarks. You see this small rosette-like cells. These are your glomeruli. So when you see them, alam yung kidney. And then the smaller tubules that you will see are your collecting tubules. Ayaw. So again, glomerulus, di ba mukhang flower, and then your tubules. Now for cellular swelling, normally, your tubules have a lumen inside of them. So move natin konti, kasi sa glomerulus siya nakafocus. So this is your normal tubule that doesn't show any changes. So you have this lumen inside, and the nuclei are basally located so away from the lumen. So that's the normal appearance of your tubules. But look at the other tubules surrounding it. Like this one. Do you notice that the lumen is almost pinpoint or slit-like? And then look at the location of the nuclei. Instead of being basally located, it reaches the middle or almost to the top of the lumen. So parang nag-move yung nucleus. This is because you have cellular swelling. You have accumulation of fluid within the cytoplasm. That's why the lumen becomes smaller or altogether disappears, like this one. And then the nuclei moves its position towards the lumen. So those are the subtle changes that you see in cellular swelling. So this is what type of change? Reversible or irreversible? Very good. So you see that the cells are still viable because they contain nuclei. But look at this area. Walang nuclei. And in some portions, so you actually have necrosis going on. So you see a continuum of reversible to irreversible changes. So from cellular swelling to tubular necrosis, you can see that within the same tubule. So this is your cellular swelling. If you have any questions, just raise your hand or clarifications. And then the next couple of slides that I'll be showing you are pigment accumulations within the cells. So for slide number 9, this is your brown atrophy of the heart. So the pigment that accumulates is what? Lipofuscin or your lipochrome, kung mahirap i-pronounce. So this is the heart, and it's composed of bundles of smooth muscle. Normally, when you look at the cells under the microscope, dalawa lang naman color niyan, diba? Pink and violet lang. But here you see in some areas, parang naglalighten. You see golden brown to yellow pigments found within the cytoplasm of the muscle cell. Look for a nice area. So this area generally parang pink, diba? But when you look at this, it assumes a golden brown color. And then the pigments should be deposited within the cytoplasm. So this area here, you see small granules within the cytoplasm, yellow to golden brown, and this one, you only have pink cytoplasm. So lipochrome accumulation is just a reflection of the aging process. You have accumulation of these pigments because of free radicals within the body. So this type of change is not exclusively seen within the heart. You can also see it in the liver, kidney, and muscle. But the heart is the most common location for the deposition of this pigment. For slide number 11, this is your hilar lymph node, the one draining the lungs, and it's, okay, and it's anthracotic or contains carbon pigment. So this is the lymph node. Immediately at low power, you see black granules within the